This video is about optimization problems. We are going to solve problem number 2. Let us read the problem. The sum of two numbers is 24. Find these numbers if the sum of their squares is a minimum. Step letter A. Form the constraint equation. Let x and y represent the two numbers. So, x plus y is equal to 24 because the problem says that the sum of the two numbers is 24. Solve for y. Transpose x to the other side. Change its sign from positive to negative. So we have now y is equal to 24 minus x. Step letter B. Form the optimization equation. Let S is equal to the sum of the squares of the two numbers. So we have now S is equal to x squared plus y squared. Substitute 24 minus x for y. This is now equal to S is equal to x squared plus the quantity 24 minus x squared. S is equal to x squared plus 576 minus 48x plus x squared. Add x squared and x squared. This is now equal to S is equal to 2x squared minus 48x plus 576. Step letter C. Find the first derivative. In step letter B, we got the equation S is equal to 2x squared minus 48x plus 576. Find the first derivative of this equation. 2 times 2 is 4. And then subtract 1 from the exponent 2. So this becomes 4x. The exponent of x here is understood to be 1. So negative 48 times 1 is negative 48. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the x raised to 0. And x raised to 0 is 1. So this becomes negative 48. The derivative of a constant is 0. So the derivative of 576 is equal to 0. So this is now equal to S prime, or the first derivative is equal to 4x minus 48. Step letter D. Find the critical value. Equate the first derivative to 0. So we have now 4x minus 48 is 0. And then solve for x. Transpose negative 48 from the left side to the right side. Change its sign from negative to positive. So we have now 4x is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 12. Step letter E. Use the second derivative test. In step C, we got the equation S prime is equal to 4x minus 48. Or the first derivative is equal to 4x minus 48. Find the second derivative. The derivative of 4x is 4, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So the second derivative is equal to 4. 4 is greater than 0. Therefore, the second derivative is greater than 0. This means the minimum value occurs when x is equal to 12. In step letter A, we got the equation y is equal to 24 minus x. Substitute 12 for x and solve for y. So y is 24 minus 12. Y is equal to 12. The two numbers are 12 and 12. The sum of 12 and 12 is 24, and the sum of their squares is a minimum.